Mara, and welcome to my channel where I journal all about my journey into minimalism. Here on this channel, I talk about all the positive aspects, some negative aspects that I have discovered in my journey in becoming a minimalist. And I do this with the hopes that I can influence other people to change their lifestyle in a more positive way. So if you have any questions or comments about minimalism, just comment, subscribe. And without further ado, here are the 10 items or products that have been sustainably sourced, biodegradable, more green, environmentally conscious products that I have adopted in my life to help me along in this journey. So the first thing that I've changed is some of my cleaning supplies. I went to grovecollaborative.co and I bought a few items that I feel are going to help me along this journey in just becoming a better environmentally conscious minimalist. So the first thing I've changed is I've gone from Dawn dishwashing liquid to this Meyer's or Miss Meyer's dish soap, which is plant derived and biodegradable, made from recycled plastic. The second cleaning supply that I bought off of Grove Co is this all-purpose cleaner that I can use on my granite countertops. I can use it in my sink, in my bathroom, my bathtub. I can clean many things with this, and it is also plant derived, and this bottle is 100% made from recycled plastic, which makes me happy because I'm really trying to do better with that. The third item that I have bought that I feel is going to help me along this journey is this 7th generation, one of my favorite brands by the way, 7th generation dishwashing pods. Eventually I want to completely get away from the dishwashing pods just to like save money, but right now as I am transitioning, this works amazing. It is also plant-based. It's a lot safer and it actually works better than the Cascade that I've been using. So the fourth thing that I started using is the 7th generation, again one of my favorite brands. They're trash bags, which is really interesting because they give you a lot of good information on the back about like how this can possibly help the world. So basically these bags are also made from recycled plastic, and it says if every household replaced just one package of 20 count trash bags made from virgin plastic with 65% recycled ones, we could save 195,000 barrels of oil, which is enough to heat and cool 11,200 US homes for a year. So it may seem like kind of far reach and you may not be able to exactly like feel the aspects of your hard work and your lifestyle changes, but this is just one small way that I feel I can help in my journey and just becoming a better person in general. But so this is the 7th generation extra strong tall kitchen bags, and they work just as well as the hefty ultra strong lavender scented, which is what I used to use all the time, trash bags. So this would be the fourth item that I would recommend if you're trying to be a more environmentally conscious minimalist. I went on Groupon where they have like bulk items for super cheap, and I bought a bunch of these. I use them for just storing food in general, and I love them. I actually don't have a lot of these in my journey because I just don't need a lot, and I am a minimalist, so I try not to stack too much. I made one purchase on Groupon, and that's pretty much all I need. I have big, little, small, teeny, tiny, and they work just fine. I love the fact that they're airtight, and so glass is better than plastic, people. We should go for it. So another one of my favorite products to use is this Method Daily Shower Cleaner. I used to use Tilex, and what you do is you just spray it on your glass and all over your shower after you shower every day. I decided to try something new to go with this Method brand. Love it. It works just the same, if not better. It costs less, and as usual, it is plant derived, just safer for the environment. So I really like it. I'm gonna stick with it for a while, and this is definitely something you might want to start with if you're looking to do something similar to what I'm doing. So the 7th item that I now use would be tons of main items. The first one being this deodorant, which I was very nervous to start using because I've used Secret all my life. I don't like to smell. Nobody really does. And so I was always kind of afraid like this wasn't going to work for me, like my body wasn't going to respond to it. But it's been fine, and it also is made from sustainably sourced aluminum for a lower carbon footprint, which is my goal. So this has been great. And also this Tom's of Maine activated charcoal toothpaste, which is amazing. The seventh thing, which I feel most people do nowadays anyway, is instead of using plastic bags to go grocery shopping, I now use like the reusable, recyclable bags that you can get from pretty much anywhere. This happens to be a Walmart one. I have one from Trader Joe's. I know a lot of people like to make their own bags, which is great. I have a ton of canvas bags that I like to use sometimes when I'm doing bigger grocery shopping. But instead of using the plastic grocery bags, I choose to use these, which I just kind of keep in my car. I know that most people are already doing this, but I know that it's hard sometimes to remember to use them, but this is just another way to be a little more conscious. Yes, this is made from recycled material, and this toothpaste does work. It is amazing, and this in particular is the peppermint flavor. And if you know anything about Tom's of Maine, they do a really good job with explaining how they source their items, so it's a really good company. You should try it. And the 10th thing I want to talk about, which I'm kind of really excited, is about this 100% recycled BPA-free toothbrush. I've been looking into bamboo toothbrushes. I found this one on grove.co, which I want to try this one first, but it is made from recycled yogurt cups, which I think is great because I eat yogurt all the time. And so knowing that I'm purchasing these yogurt cups and it can become a toothbrush and not just thrown into a landfill somewhere just makes me feel good about my journey. So this was the 10th item on my list, which for some reason, I'm most excited about. I don't know. So there you have it, the 10 items that have helped my life feel a lot more purposeful, give my life a lot more meaning. And so I hope that it's helped you and influenced you in a positive way to just try some new practices, try some new lifestyle changes that will help the world out, that will help others out in the future. And again, if you'd like to know more about what it's like to adopt this new lifestyle change, just subscribe, comment, ask any questions you want to ask. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you stick around. Thanks.